Welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, we are going to talk about our member in estate that has broken even, okay, and has made extra 5% on top of his original investment in estate. People keep saying that estate is very slow. They don't offer us 10% per day or 15% per day. If you are looking for 10 and 15% per day, trust me, estate is not where you need to be. Okay, but if you are looking for something sustainable, something that is going to last for a very long time, a platform that is reliable and consistent, okay, because what we are looking for, especially me, I am looking for a platform that is consistent and can last for a long time, okay, and is offering a very decent daily return, just like estate, offering us 0.3 to 1% daily passive income. Now, remember, we do not have to do anything really in estate other than to register, complete our KYC, deposit our money, and purchase a fraction of real estate. That's what we usually do when you join. And then after that, you sit back and watch your money grow. Okay, you watch your profit growing on a daily basis. That will go up to 100% and over, as you can see from this screen that I am sharing with you just now. But I don't just want to stop here, okay, showing you just 105. Let me go into the person's screenshots, a member of estate that shared this with us, and explain what is happening there. So this is the information that was sent to us by one of our estate members, and as you can see, he has purchased a lot of properties here, but some of those properties have done over 100%, guys. What does that mean? It means if you put in 10,900 like what he did on the commerce real estate, here he did 10,900, and then the profit that he has made is $11,450, over 105%. In fact, 105.05%. That's what he has made for just one property. So he has broken even on this property, and he has also broken even on the villa property. You can see that he purchased a fraction of the villa estate here for 4,500. And I remember that the minimum to purchase the villa estate is $3,120. But this guy spent more than $3,120 to purchase a villa property. He added more, way more than the minimum. Okay, and right now that property has broken even and is now driving into unlimited profit. This is where it becomes very interesting, guys, because once you have broken even, anything that is coming after that is just house money. I call it house money. Okay, so you can play with that house money. Whatever you want to do, you can use that to purchase more property. You can withdraw that. You can do whatever you want. But just this is amazing, right? For people that are saying that, oh, estate is too slow. It is too slow, but it is consistent. That is what matters. You don't want to join a platform today and then tomorrow the platform will disappear because you want a fast platform. Okay, so please don't be drawn into those platforms that are offering you 5%, 10%, 20%, 15% per day. Trust me, they are not going to last, because there is no platform that will sustain 5 or 10% daily. It's impossible. You can't sustain it for a long time. But in estate, they are offering us very, very moderate and decent percentage, profit percentage on a daily basis, between 0.3 to 1% profit. That is what estate is giving us, and people are making money from it. You can see all these screenshots. I did not make them up. They are being shared in the official Telegram channel of estate, and I decided to make video out of it to educate more people out there that there is something called tokenization, and estate is the vehicle for that to happen to everybody watching this video, right? The access that estate is providing, for every one of us, for us to purchase a fraction of this real estate. So as you can see from here, this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far from this screenshot. Okay, he must have purchased more than 7 real estates. And the good thing about estate is you can purchase multiple of that particular real estate. For example, this guy has purchased the Phoenix Commerce real estate here, and then he's done another Commerce real estate here for 10,270, and then he's done 2 villas here on this screenshot, 1 tourism, 1 apartment, and 1 house. So you can see the strategic move here, right? So this guy is purchasing all these properties and positioning himself to continue to earn for as long as tokenization and blockchain exist, because estate is not going anywhere soon, right? They've got 10 years roadmap for everybody that is in estate. So if you like a platform that is stable, okay, what we are looking for in all these platforms is stability. Okay, stability, that's what you are looking for, and estate has been stable since it was launched. Okay, over a year now it was launched, but we are still in estate and benefiting from it. So if you would like to join estate, the link to do so is below this video description. And right here, once you register, remember registration is free, KYC is free. You do not need to pay money to do all of those. Okay, all you need to do is to tap on the link below this video description, enter your details. Okay, make sure all your details are correct and they are corresponding to your government ID card that you are going to use for your KYC. So your government ID card could be your passport, it could be your driver's license, it could be your resident permit card, right? Wherever you are living, okay, around the globe, you are accepted into estate. So you use that to complete your KYC, and then you deposit your money. Now you can deposit via cryptocurrency. They have about 32 different types of cryptocurrencies that you can deposit, with. They have Dogecoin, USDT, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. They have all of these popular cryptocurrencies that you can use to deposit, and you can also withdraw, with about 10 or 11 different types of cryptocurrency. So yeah, they are offering you the minimum to start here. Okay, once you register, you will have access to the profit calculator here, and you will be able to just go in and check how much you want to invest and how much you think you are going to make on a daily basis. So they have about 12 different properties here that you can invest, although some of them are sold out. For example, the tourism, this one is sold out. As you can see, it is sold out, so you can't purchase a fraction of this anymore. But you have other options like the desert villa, you have the actual villa, and then you have the Phoenix Commerce Villa. So you can purchase all these ones, right? You can purchase all of these and be able to benefit on a daily passive income that they are giving, okay, to every member. So yeah, the platform is working fine, and this is one of the properties that the guy purchased. This commerce, and he did villa. Okay, so villa is $3,120, and then he did house. Okay, he did house here, okay, for 80 minimum, but I am 100% sure it did not put just 480. So if you go back here and then go to house, so you will see that he put in $2,100. However, for the house, they said the minimum is 480, but it did not stop at the minimum. It went way above the minimum. So this is what I have been telling you guys, that when you join a platform and they say, oh, $10 is the minimum, don't put $10 because you are not, you are going to be very, very slow to make money, right? So you need to put a lot of money, okay? Some decent money for you to be able to earn good money. As you can see from this guy's account, right? It's got 10,270, 7,500, 500, 10,900, 3,400, 2,100, 4,500. Okay, the lowest property here is the 500 property. So why would you want to put $10 and expect to make good profit? Okay, so even though the platform says, oh, listen, you can start with $10, I recommend don't start with $10 because you are not going to earn good money. Okay, $10 is just for you to test how the process works. For example, how to deposit and how to purchase your property. Once you use your $10 to do that, you know that it has gone through, then you can now come back and put in like 10,270 or 7,500 or 500 like this guy, right? So this is it, guys. I just thought I should share this information with you guys to let you know that people are breaking even in estate very fast, and they are in profit, and they are withdrawing on a daily basis, and estate is reliable, and the fractional real estate that we are purchasing in estate, everything is on the blockchain. It is tracked and traceable. Okay, you can track it, you can trace it on the blockchain. Everything is transparent, everything is genuine, everything is legit, and we are looking and praying for longevity of this platform. So if you would like to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays, 5 days a week, okay, that is how we earn in estate. If you are ready to do that, the link to do so is below this video description. As I said before, the videos I have done is below the video description as well. Click and watch those videos. It's about 10 minutes video on how to register, how to do your KYC, how to deposit, and how to purchase your real estate. It's easy. Anybody can do that, right? E-estate is not complicated, okay? When it comes to joining e-estate and purchasing your fractional real estate, it's not complicated. It's the simplest and the most straightforward platform I have ever, be in. So guys, this is it. The link to join is below this video description. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And God bless you as you do. Thank you and see you later.